What if I told you that a smartphone is about to shake up the market with a 200 MP camera and a 7000 mAh battery, all at a price you wouldn't expect? This isn't just another phone, it's Oppo's latest game changer. Introducing the Oppo F29 Pro Plus 5G, a device that's garnering buzz for its incredible features and affordability. In a world where smartphones are often prohibitively expensive, Oppo is stepping up to the plate with something that combines luxury and functionality without breaking the bank. Let's take a closer look. In today's fast-paced world, smartphones often let us down when we need them most. Whether it's the dreaded dead battery during a long day out, or missing that perfect shot because your camera just doesn't cut it, many devices just don't meet the mark. How many times have you wished for a phone that could keep up with your lifestyle? The Oppo F29 Pro Plus 5G brings the fight right to the flagship market with its impressive 6.72-inch punch-hole display. The first thing you'll notice is how vibrant and clear everything looks, thanks to the 1080 by 2910 pixel resolution. But it doesn't just stop at great visuals. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you get buttery smooth animations whether you're scrolling through social media or playing high-octane games. Underneath this stunning display lies the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, which means you won't have to deal with lag or slow loading times. It handles everything with ease, allowing you to multitask or consume content without a hitch. Now, let's address a common pain point: battery life. Most smartphones struggle to keep up, especially with heavy usage. The Oppo F29 Pro Plus 5G boasts a staggering 7000 mAh battery. Imagine not having to worry about finding an outlet in the middle of your day. With this kind of power, you're looking at extended usage times, making it perfect for power users and mobile gamers alike. But that's not all. Oppo has also integrated 120-watt fast charging technology. What does this mean for you? A full charge in about 25 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're running late or just forgot to charge your phone overnight, you can get back in the game in no time. And now, let's get to what might just be the best part: the camera. The Oppo F29 Pro Plus 5G is equipped with a stunning 200MP main camera. That's right, 200MP. This means you're going to capture every detail with incredible clarity. Accompanying this powerhouse is a 32MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for those breathtaking landscape shots, and a 13MP depth sensor to elevate your portrait photography. And don't forget about the front-facing 32MP camera, ideal for selfies and video calls that don't compromise on quality. You also get HD video recording capabilities and an impressive 20x zoom function, which means you can get close to the action without sacrificing image quality. Oppo knows that storage is crucial for today's users. That's why the F29 Pro Plus 5G comes in 3 configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and a premium 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. This range ensures that whether you're a casual user or someone who needs extensive storage for apps, photos, and videos, there's a configuration that fits your needs. While pricing details are still under wraps, the positioning of the F29 Pro Plus 5G suggests that it will be an attractive option in the upper mid-range market. The Oppo F29 Pro Plus 5G is set to redefine what you expect from a smartphone in its price range. It offers advanced features that are typically found in much pricier devices, making it a compelling option for anyone in the market for a new phone. With its massive battery life, lightning-fast charging, and exceptional camera quality, this device could easily become your go-to gadget. Curious to see how this phone stacks up in real life? Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and stay tuned for our next video.